King of Kings.
No one believed in me except my parents and my dance teacher and my dance partner. You know, it pushed me, because going into the studios and competition, and where you feel like people are looking at you like, oh my God, you're the only black couple on the floor. You know, and it does affect us. There was points where we were dancing, and you know, she always gave up, and I was the one kind of brought her back and said, yo, we got this. Let's change the game. You know, we're still young, and we're still growing up, and we're still finding our ways and finding things that they're gonna change. They're gonna change, and you know, always hoping. The apartheid, the war between black and white people in South Africa, it made me understand it even more. I never gave up. I said to my partner, I said, let's change the game. Let's work hard and push. And something happens, we go overseas and we open doors for other people. You know, it's always opening doors for freedom.